Hi, and welcome to my 8th video in the Popsicle series where we blend the worlds of pop and classical music through arranging. This video in my series will focus on one of the most famous singer-songwriters of our generation, Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift immediately rose to success after the release of her first single, Teardrops on My Guitar, in 2006. For the next 2 decades, she has been consistently releasing record-breaking albums, winning numerous Artist of the Year awards. So I wanted to do an arrangement of one of my personal favorite songs by her, which is I Knew You Were Trouble from her Red album. So let's get started. The BPM is 132 here, but the original is 158. I do want this one to have a more upbeat and fast type of feel. The first 2 measures are the guitar chords that are played in the intro. And notice here the key signature is in G major, even though the original is in G flat or F sharp. I transposed it up because I didn't want there to be too many accidentals in the key signature. So yeah, there are a lot of syncopated rhythms in the first 2 measures because I am writing them to be rhythmically accurate. And I also discussed in the previous video that beaming the notation is super important. So in 4/4, we divide everything by the beat, which is why there is a separation here. So instead of writing, this as a quarter note, I did 2 eighth notes tied together to show the bridge between the second and the third beat. This helps students just keep track of the beats and make the score look cleaner overall. So the left hand continues to have the same syncopated bass line throughout, while the right hand comes in with the vocal melody. And in the original song, the first verse repeats, but I just wrote it once so I'd have the room to do the bridge as well. And the bridge starts right around here, and then the chorus starts in measure 19, which is outlined by the dynamic shift. And then as for the form, the last 2 lines are the iconic part at the end of the chorus where she actually says the trouble, trouble, trouble. So that is the overall form that I chose for this arrangement.